HX570 self-adhesive sticker folding machine. The 570 die cutting and folding machine is a new generation of logistics label professional production equipment independently developed by our company. This machine has an automatic paper loading function, which saves both time and effort when loading giant paper rolls. Automatic deviation correction system, making paper positioning more accurate. The dual die cutting station can be used for both die cutting and line pressing. Drawer type replacement of magnetic rollers, making it convenient and fast to replace magnetic rollers. The automatic cutting function adopts a pneumatic cutting knife, which is easy to operate. Automatic folding adopts the latest up and down paper receiving method, while automatic cutting is simpler and more convenient. Parameter: max paper loading diameter 1 meter. Speed 120 meters per minute. Fold size 80 to 300 millimeters.